Mega love, mega shout out, and welcome to my channel. This is Pure Stoneheart, and welcome to my channel. Good morning, everyone. This is Pure Stoneheart once again, and welcome to my channel. For those who did not follow me yet, please follow. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for my additional next video update. Okay, guys, but for today's video, guys, I ordered another pair of shoes, and then it arrived yesterday. So when I come here in the office, I saw it in this box again. Once again, this is from, well, of course, that is from my favorite online shop, Brands for Less online store. Okay, so I'm so excited to share with you again. I am not bragging. Actually, I am not bragging to have shoes or collections of shoes, because this is not that expensive. It's kind of affordable, but somehow it's fulfilling in my part. So once again, don't get me wrong, I am not bragging. I have a new pair of shoes every now and then, but I love this. I love to have a collections of different shoes. So I'm so excited. To open, oh my god, a pair of shoes. Okay, let's open it one by one. Okay, let's start with her first. For Clark. Yes, this one. Very nice color. Clark. I love the here, guys, the rubber part, and also the color itself. And I will inside is very comfy. So this is number one. Then number two, Puma shoes. Yes. Beige, I believe this is beige color. Okay, let's put it here. The next one is this St. Clark. The different color. Combination of gray and black. You can use this one. I'm looking forward to use this one when I'm wearing shorts. So this is Clark. The other one is this one. The other color is this one. So different color but the same brand. Okay, and the last pair I order is this one, True Religion. Yes, I love the color of this one. Yes, this is the one.